Hello.
Welcome back. Good evening.
Good evening. Is there? Is coming back?
No.
Harshdeep?
Yes, he should.
Let me check.
Let me
He
check.
won't.
Yeah,
There's some other meeting. I'll just check whether he's.
yeah. He's joining. He's joining. Don't go. He's joining.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Dr. Harshdeep is back. Yeah.
Yes, so I will be there with you for 10 more minutes, please.
Yeah.
Okay. Harshdeep, I was saying about the current scenario now.
Yes,
Yeah. So one side we are saying the industry should start the operations, and other side because of lockdown, there are no passes and all we are getting. Plus making the provision for employees to stay in the premises or in the same village or not something like that. So how we are going to continue, or should we wait till the lockdown gets over?
मेरा दोस्त पहुंच गया है। See, please, all this in industry where we have said there should be labor camps, these are very less number of industries. Okay, as of now, today, around 60,000, more than 60,000 industries have taken permission from us, and they are already in operation. But in some area, we have put this restriction. For example, PCMC area, PCMC and nearby area, because number of cases are very high over there.
Okay.
So therefore, we have kept this restriction. And because government always feel as a government, it is health of the public that takes a primary importance. Okay.
Right.
Health of economy comes after that. So that is how we have designed our priorities. But having said that, as I said, in some of the areas, we have gone all out to open the industries, because if industries are opening, we don't get taxes, we don't get do developmental work, and neither do we get salary. So we are also of the view that it should be open, but not at the cost of public. So there is a fine balance which we are trying to maintain.
How much time you think will this inter-district travels will start, or containment?
After 30th of May, inter-district should not be a problem. Only Mumbai, I think 1 more month, June also, to completely to be little free.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Few years before, there was an announcement that Pune-Bangalore highway, this corridor will be developed as an industrial corridor.
Yes.
But no progress has happened over it.
No, now everything is standstill. But we are very positive. We also had a talk and discussion with DMIC. Okay, so DMIC project is one where central government and government of Maharashtra are coming together and taking up this industrial area on Pune and Bangalore highway would also be this mechanism only. MIDC will start very soon. Delhi government has agreed for this. Central government has agreed for this.
Harshdeep, Abhijit here again.
Yes.
Before few days, our Honorable Prime Minister addressing nation, he said that we need to be Atmanirbhar. Does it mean Swadeshi or Make in India? If it is Make in India, because if you see there are major negative comments, globally there are negative comments with respect to Chinese products or something. Many developments, what you explained in India, those are Chinese MNCs, but those were pre-COVID. Are there any other industries which are expecting in India or in Maharashtra?
Yeah, sure. Very much. Actually, lot of companies from South Korea, companies from Germany, UK, they have shown interest, and now we are trying to move US companies also. The problem in US companies, that we have another president over there who also wants Swadeshi kind of a thing. So everything he wants to manufacture in America only. So similarly, now it is little fight between Make in America or Make in India. But we are trying to work out ultimately what happens is wherever a company gets more profit, where they can do it in a lesser cost, and where there is more consumption also. So there these multinational companies come. And I think now, since they want to get away from China, India becomes kind of a hot country for them. here we have a consumer base also. Here we have cheap labor as compared to US. So and from here they can export to anywhere in the world. So I think India is going to be more attractive to them now. They are going away from China. And
Yeah,
we
another
are
thing.
policies very soon for that.
Another thing for India
Hello.
basically is up till now predominantly we are concentrating more onto the services. Okay, we still
No,
don't
no.
have that mindset of not getting into manufacturing industry or developing the new products or no, that type of a research has to happen. No, okay, in China also no
completely
research
agree.
has happened, but
I
but that
completely agree with
mindset
you, Nilesh.
shift
We
from
are little, yeah, I agree. We are little less, our investment is very less when there is R&D sector. I also
like
feel same. I also feel same that we should invest more in R&D in health sector, in any automobile
correct.
sector, every sector we need to have. I don't know why. And we are
So,
trying to, in Maharashtra, we are trying to promote now what we have done to, if you have a if you are setting up a manufacturing unit and your fixed capital investment is around say 500 crore, 100 crores, okay, and if you are setting up R&D unit also, so
mhm.
20 additional 20% we give you, we return you back as an investment. So you are setting FCI, you are setting a unit at 100 crores, but your R&D center is around 20 crores, then we will give you a benefit of 120 crores. So that is
Okay.
what we have come up with. So let us
So
hope that.
Hello,
another
sir.
thing which you can do it
Hello.
from government
I
level
can
is
take somebody
basically
else's question, Vipul.
yeah.
I can
Yeah,
take
yeah.
a question
Yes.
from Vipul.
Yeah,
Nilesh,
Vipul.
yeah.
Vipul.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
Vipul.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, Vipul
a
from
small thing,
2013
the
batch.
test labs.
Yeah, yeah, Vipul.
Nilesh, let
Yes,
others
sir.
also have.
Okay, okay, go ahead. No
Yeah, please.
problem, no problem.
Yes, Vipul.
Hello, sir. Yeah, hello, sir. I am from 2013 batch.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
after
Young
this
यार तुम्हारी
COVID,
दाढ़ी काली काली है, हमारी सफेद हो गई है.
sir, so after the COVID situation, there will be lot of sanitization going on in public areas like restaurants and malls where people can't avoid that. So can we come up with a system, or people like me who wants to be an entrepreneur or something, do something like, can we come up with an system like and can government also give us certification that we are the people that we will do your sanitization, certified sanitization? Can something like that happen?
Yeah, yeah, it is very much possible. It is very much possible. You have to undergo certain kind of yes, it is very much possible. You have to undergo certain kind of training, or you need to have certain kind of trained professionals with you. My mobile number you can write down is 9158310000. Okay.
Sir, okay, sir, I will take it from someone else, but sir, you can
Yeah,
tell me.
I'll
Yes,
share.
not-
I'll share.
Okay, and then you send me an SMS. I will write you SMS detail about this, and I'll tell you how you need to do it.
Okay, okay, sir.
There
That's
is a
what I was going
requirement.
to ask.
Thank
Yes,
you.
there is a
Is this
requirement.
possible? Okay, okay, sir. What is the longevity of this? Okay.
Sorry, what is the longevity of this business you are talking about?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So after vaccine comes, after 1 year or
Now
2
let
years,
us
so will this be?
assume, what we are assuming is that people would have learned their lessons.
Yeah.
Now they would understand that money doesn't necessarily save you. What saves
Hygiene.
you, your own hygiene,
Habit.
your own
Habit.
lifestyle.
Yes.
So what people fear most is their death.
Right.
Even though it is a reality, they fear it most, and nobody wants to die one day earlier. Everybody wants to die one day later. So these sanitation facilities would be extremely sought after now. So if you are starting immediately, and if you have some backup with this sanitizer kind of a companies, then that would be really good. But I will tell you that in details, and I can maybe try to coordinate you with somebody else.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Sir, I have one suggestion comment.
And then there is another thing, Vipul.
Yes,
I
sir.
have myself designed and conceptualized one scheme that is called a Chief Minister's Employment Guarantee Program, where young entrepreneurs like you can submit their project report up to 50 lakh rupees, and there is a subsidy also available. Okay, and then 40% of this is reserved for rural areas. So
Okay.
you can contact me for that also. I'll explain to you that.
Okay.
Thank
okay.
you.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Right.
Yes, Balaji.
Good evening, sir. Amol
So
here.
now it is 7 o'clock. So I'll take one more question.
Good evening, sir. Amol here.
Yes, Amol, yeah, it's a
Can
very
I-
nice background behind you.
Oh, thank you, sir.
He's from Pune.
It's my garden.
This is your garden. Oh,
Sir,
lovely. Huh?
Oh, thank you, sir. Sir, what I'll do is I'm into healthcare business, and I also launched sanitizers very recently.
Very good.
So I'll connect with you personally
Sure.
because we are into preventive healthcare, and
Fantastic.
we offer and we are doing something in COVID testing also. So I thought I'll just mention to you, and I'll connect personally with you, sir,
Please.
if you
Sure.
allow us.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you so much, sir.
As I said that if I don't pick up, please send a message on WhatsApp.
Yes,
And
sir.
please mention yes. So that would be priority.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Okay.
And thank you.
Right.
Thank you. Yeah. Sure.
Thank
Bye.
you guys. Thank you so much for listening me.
Thanks,
Sure.
Harshdeep.
Yes, Gupta. Sanjay bolo. Last bolo.
few more seconds just
हाँ,
बस कुछ
बोलो।
नहीं आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने आपका समय निकाला और बहुत अच्छा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया और अभी भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लास्ट टाइम भी मैंने यही शब्द बोले थे और अभी भी रिपीट करता हूँ कि अभी भी लोग पूरी तरह से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है अगर हुआ तो क्यों ना हम और एक सेशन कि इसकी
निकलवा है,
अभी ये हुआ कि हमें
निकल-
अभी कुछ नॉलेज मिल गया है इसकी
राइट और संजय तुम्हारी दाढ़ी बिल्कुल तुम्हारी दाढ़ी या थैंक यू संजय तुम्हारी दाढ़ी तो
अमिताभ।
अमिताभ जैसे दिख रही है अभी
अमिताभ।
चश्मा भी वैसे ही पहना हुआ दिख रहा है ओके गाइस बाय
Right.
बाय
Right.
थैंक यू
Okay. Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.